That's my Sunday road trip to a place called Dunajec in Niedzicy in Poland. The castle and everything will be in the description. I don't know what to say. I'm just appreciating more how Poland is beautiful, where I can like record, really travel, see what is around me. I don't really want to talk in this video, just appreciate the views, how beautiful they are. Imagine living in those times, one castle, another castle, and you are defending your land. God, what a beautiful place. It's time to change the location. What a pretty machine, better than sports car. I love listening to birds talking or singing. That's the place called Three Crowns in Pieniny, Poland. Different locations. What a day! I should go and climb this mountain. I did that last year, but it's getting dark and I don't have any headlamp. I have, but I'm lazy and I don't want to go. Last stop of the day, Zakopane, the mountain capital of the Poland. The famous street Krupówki. Time to go home. I was in Zakopane, the really popular city near the mountains in Poland, but it was empty. And drive home. That was a good day. I'm home. It's time to edit. Sandwiches.